support systems and other organizations exist in our community mental health ecosystem that complement the work you do? And you've referenced some of them already, but are there any that you want to acknowledge or that you're like, yeah, this is really working well? Or
Honestly, I really want to acknowledge. So we have something called Black grad coaches, which they are heaven sent. I love them. And they work within Halton District School Boards. We do have one that's also for Halton Catholic School Boards as well. And these are coaches that focus on supporting Black students within their school, helping to advocate for them, helping them find a place. As we do know, systems and people of color within community have a very friction relationship. Not trusting systems being, the school to prison pipeline is a very big thing, as we do know. So not trusting authority figures can be a really hardship. And so having Black grad coaches be that bridge to connect those two communities together and allowing for there to be a safer space within their schools where Black students are able to be supported, recognized, and honestly accomplished and see that their achievements mean something. And so I do also want to highlight that they do work quite closely with also CYCs of different schools. So there's one folk, and their name is Jules. They do such a great job at being able to add Black programs within schools as well that pertain to Black joy and being able to pertain to Black excellence and being able to see the fact that these are little pockets within school communities that parents are able to look at and see as hopefully being an opportunity for their youth. Also, I want to highlight Halton Black Voices. They're a community organization that hopefully people who are watching, Halton Black Voices. Please, if you're looking for a place to grow community, be able to get connected with other folks who are people of color, and particularly Black people of color, and they do such great work at being able to add a level of support and add this sense of belonging for the Black community. It is such a beautiful thing. And the last one I do want to highlight is Black Mental Health Canada. I believe they do a couple workshops around Black men's mental health, which I know is a very niche topic that not a lot of people talk about, but it's so important that we do. And so they do a couple programs as well. These are all virtual programs. So if you're with outside the Halton region, you're always able to join in on Zoom for their programs as well. And they do such a good job at being able to highlight that Black mental health is a big thing and it needs to be talked about more. It's unfortunately quite taboo and not always talked about, but they're doing a better job at understanding that this is a nuance that we need to break these chains so we ourselves can start to heal, right? Because it is a journey. So those are a couple of folks that I personally want to highlight that I have my little support toolbox that do such a great job at supporting this community.